Hi everyone, let's do a collective reading, okay? And it's going to be bit about your journey. It's going to be a spiritual reading, okay? So take what resonates and leave the rest. And of course, it's going to be timeless one. So whenever you come across this video, just know that this is a message for you, okay? All right, let's begin. Let's look at your current energies first so that you will know if you're being able to resonate or not. It's going to be in Hindi English mix. Okay, so I felt that there are two piles, all right. So if I talk about the first one, just 1 minute. Yeah. So if I talk about the first one, the first group, I do see that you might be feeling a bit exhausted. All right, I see burnouts. Maybe either you are working a lot or you have been working a lot and now it seems that you might want to take a break or something, but there's something that you're doing in excess. All right, so it's like either you are exercising a lot or you're working a lot or you're doing some kind of labor work. कुछ तो ऐसा है जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहे हो, ओके, एंड वो इतना एक्सट्रीम में कर रहे हो या कर रहे थे दैट नाउ यू कम टू अ पॉइंट ऑफ ब्रेक डाउन. Okay, and this breakdown is actually impacting your emotions as well. This is impacting your mental health as well. A lot of you are trying to make a lot of money, but at the same time you are being asked to make conscious choices when it comes to your current energies, okay? Because you need to, I just feel that you need to stabilize your energy. You need to stabilize your feminine energy, because कुछ लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है आप इतने ज़्यादा अपनी masculine energy में आ चुके हो that because of money, and not, it's not that you don't have money or anything, but some of you are being really greedy about money. Okay, so don't be so greedy about money. Don't overwork. Don't work during your night hours or your sleeping hours. Some of you are also working during that time, so that is something that you need to take care of. You are being definitely asked to make a few conscious choices when it comes to your lifestyle, you know your patterns, your day-to-day activities that you do, the choices that you make every day. It's like you want to make time for yourself. All right, or let's say that in the morning you might decide कि ठीक है आज तो थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करेंगे या कुछ ऐसा, but then as soon as you see money coming your way, or as soon as you see any kind of project coming your way, or if there's any meeting or anything, I just see you working either because of money or some kind of recognition, but there's some greed is definitely there. Okay, and yeah, so that is one energy. And second energy that I feel here is, so there's someone who is wanting to talk to you. Okay, so, definitely a person who has this King of Cups energy. This person is quite emotionally stable. This person is emotionally balanced. All right, and this person wants to communicate with you. This person wants to talk to you, but at the same time I just feel that a lot of you are being completely defensive, and this is a very feminine energy. Okay, triple four, as I say this. So you have your sword, okay, all the time whenever you deal with this person, whenever you talk to this person. you are not being able to go with the flow when it comes to this person. You're not being able to surrender yourself into this adventurous spirit when it comes to this person. You just want to know the black and white of the situation when it comes to this person. I also feel that you are also being a bit defensive, and with that defensiveness there's a lot of ego also, so you're not really accepting this person for who they are. And for some, I also feel that you are really assuming a lot of things about this person. This person is not that bad, okay, but you have your own assumptions, you have your own belief systems, and you're not being able to break these, which of course, so the video stopped in between. I don't know for what reason, but yeah. um Talking about, yeah, so I just picked a few cards from Osho, okay, and let's continue the reading. So definitely it's about where is your life going towards, like what is the direction that it is taking. So here we have completion, okay. Definitely you are a blue, you are definitely about to complete something, okay. There's some puzzle which is being solved by the universe. There's more happiness coming into your life. I also feel that a lot of you do not really acknowledge your authentic self, okay. Either you run away from it, or you kind of judge yourself. You have your own judgments and belief systems about yourself. I do see that there's this lack of acceptance when it comes to really accepting for who you are. That is actually not happening, but you are at the last stage of it, okay, and you're about to complete this journey of yours, okay. And once you complete this journey, there's a major spiritual lesson that is going on in your life, okay. Once you complete this energy, you will purify your fire element. Some of you, I feel that either your fire element or your air element is not really balanced, okay. And when the fire element and the air element is not balanced, we want to control everything. We would seek validation from the outside, from the external sources, the external environment, okay. We would have certain unhealthy anger issues, okay. We would not use our sexual energy or the sensual energy in the correct manner, in the right way. That is another thing. So you would know what is there that you need to take care of. And if you can resonate with any of these points, I also feel that you have kind of allowed someone to manipulate you. You've allowed someone to really take over your life, take control of you, of your life, of your mind, of your heart, everything. And all of this is now coming to an end. So you are definitely someone who is very much pure, who has that innocence also, but at the same time your innocence kind of made you naive, okay, whether you are a masculine or a feminine. And now it is changing, okay. So from you being naive, you're changing, or you're transforming into a very pure person, into a very innocent person. And let me tell you, innocence is not stupidity, innocence is not dumbness, innocence is just purity. And when you're pure, you get to see each and everything very clearly, be it good, be it bad, okay, be it empaths, be it dark empaths. So that is definitely happening. And this is I feel that this is a very feminine energy. Another thing, I do feel that this is for the masculine. So you are understanding on how to drop the control, okay. You are understanding and learning about how to really trust, how to trust yourself, how you can give your best, how you can do giving without any intention of receiving, how you can do selfless giving. This is a very important point for the masculines, okay. Masculines do giving selflessly, all right. So I was watching this video, तो उसमें क्या था, there was this guy and he was with his wife, and उसको कोई एक river था, not river, मतलब छोटा सा एक जगह था, उसको वो क्रॉस करना था. There was water. So and right side पे there were stones and everything. So he took support of that stone and वो एकदम लेट गया, okay. And like he became a bridge sort of, like that. And then he asked his wife to cross the bridge. So by that, when I give this example, I mean that, this is how masculine energy is, regardless of the gender, of course, okay? That when you give selflessly, and that is what is happening. So you are detaching yourself from this ego thing, okay? मैंने तुम्हारे लिए ये किया, I did this for you, I did that for you, उसके लिए तो मैंने ऐसा किया था, उसके लिए तो मैंने ये किया था. No, okay? Again, regardless of the gender, whether you are a female watching this or you are a male watching this, you would know if this is your energy. Okay, so now your life is going towards in a direction where you can just trust, okay, where you trust yourself, where you'll know that if you're going to give selflessly, you know that it's going to come around, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe 10 years later, 50 years later, maybe next life, but it will. Okay, so now you will see that you will act from altruism, okay, rather than always having a selfish motive to receive something, to gain something from the other. So this is a beautiful thing that is happening, and I think it's a very important pattern also. This has been, I would say, a very intense pattern in your life, those who can resonate with this. And now you being able to decondition, now you being able to detach yourself from this pattern. For some, I also feel that you've been wanting to cut cords from someone particular. It is happening for you, okay? It is happening for you, and this is specifically for the males, okay? Males, I'm not talking about the masculine energy, I'm talking about males. If you've been wanting to cut your cords with someone, that is definitely happening very soon, okay? Some of you, I also feel that you're about to start something new in your life. It can be, some kind of risk that you're going to take, but it will bring a lot of peace and harmony. So it's like you might just decide to do something that you were afraid of, okay? So yeah, I think that is it. So you are basically taking that leap of faith, okay? You would want to have that free fall, because you'll know that even if something happens, Mother Earth is there to catch you. All right, so that is happening. So I think that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.